This video from Shop Stuff, we're going to take a look at how you can update your Volumatic Count Easy to count the new Polymer £20 note. First things first, it's going to depend on your software version as to whether you're able to do this or not. So this will only work on software version 3.1 or higher. If you're unsure about which software version of the machine you've got, simply turn the machine on and it will come up and say the software version. So my machine's a 3.2, so I'm going to be able to do that on this machine. If yours isn't, so if it's lower than 3.1, so 2.6, 2.7, any version like that, the machine's going to have to be sent back to Volumatic for a software update. However, if you have a 3.2 or 3.1, then you're in good luck, and I'll show you how to update the machine. There's basically 3 steps. First of all, you have to enable the note. So there's a Polymer £20 note setting already within the machine, but it won't be enabled, so I'll show you how to enable it. You also need to set the weight for it, and you also need to set the tolerances for the note. So before you start, the easiest thing to enable the note, you press and hold down the arrow, well, the 2 arrow down buttons here. Hold them down for about 4 or 5 seconds, and it should come up and say setup followed by grams. If you repeat the procedure, so hold the 2 buttons down again, it'll go to setup 2, and then from there we can find the options we're looking for. It doesn't really matter which order you do them in, but I'm starting with note enable. When you've got note enable on the screen, you press the coin and note button to enter the setting, and this is basically going to go through all the notes that are either enabled or not enabled on the machine. So £5 note is off, £100 note is off, 50 Polymer is off, £50 note is on, and there was the Polymer 20. There's a normal paper 20 without the asterisks, and then with the asterisks is the Polymer version. So you press the note and coin button to go into it, and then arrow. I think it's quicker to arrow up actually, but either way you arrow until it says on, and then press the coin and note to confirm, and then the plus equals button to leave that part of the settings. So we've enabled the £20 Polymer. That's step 1 of 3. We arrow up to note weight, press the coin note button to go into it, and again we scroll through until we get to £20 asterisk, which is the Polymer. Coin note to go into it, and you need to change this setting from whatever it is as standard, whatever it is on your machine, down to 905 grams. There we go. When you've done that, press the coin note button again to confirm, and then the plus equals button to leave that setting. So we've enabled the £20 Polymer, we've set the weight for it, and now we need to set the tolerances. So I have all this information in a downloadable instructions which you can download from the website, but it's the same process on the video. So we're now looking for tolerance, note tolerance we need to go into, coin and note to enter, and then you have positive and negative tolerance. You need to do both. We'll go into positive, and then again we're looking for the £20 Polymer, coin and note to enter, and then whatever your positive tolerance is as standard, you need to change it to 5.2. When it's on 5.2, coin and note button to confirm, and then again the plus equals button to leave. We now need to go into the negative tolerance, coin and note button. Make sure when you're doing this that you go to the correct £20 note. Any mistakes you make here are going to have serious implications for your counts, obviously. So we've got £20 Polymer, negative tolerance. We're going to go into that, and we're going to change that to 5.2. Coin and note to confirm, plus and equals to escape, and again to return to the main menu. Now when you go into the notes, we've obviously got 5 Polymer, 10 Polymer, paper 20. We'll just check that I haven't messed that up. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go, 11 cotton or paper 20s, and then it's gone automatically onto the polymer ones, £20 asterisk, so £20 polymer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, so that's all set up. So I'll have another video probably popping up on screen now showing you how to remove the paper 20. You don't want to do that yet, but obviously when they do withdraw the paper one from circulation, you don't have to keep scrolling through it, so we'll show you how to get rid of that. And then there'll be more videos coming out when they do the £50 polymer in 2021. We'll show you how to set the machines up for those. So I hope that video has been helpful. Thanks very much for watching.